Depending on what content are you looking to produce, what platform are you looking to publish your content, you should be looking to get horizontal or panoramic to vertical. The truth is, a lot of the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube, square videos are the videos with more real estate into the feed. Let me explain. If you want to get your videos that seen from more people when are on the feed, you know, when you're scrolling and you're going into the feed on Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram, a square format is the best of the best for that. The reason why is because a square gives more vertical real estate than panoramic videos. To keep it simple, when you're recording with your phone or your camera, vertical or panoramic is just a matter of which platform are you posting for, where is going to be your content, how do you want to get found.